Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Dinh Duy Cuong. In today's video, I will answer a question from a student. So this student is using the Optitex 21 software and doesn't know how to create a detailed statistical table. So I'll take an example. Here is a product code. And if you want to generate and set up a comprehensive, detailed statistical table within the Optitex 21 software, you will first navigate to View, then move over to Style Sets, and once you are in this panel, you will click on Create. After you have done that, you will need to enter the specific code name that you want to create right here. For example, I'll use D202411107. After you finish entering the style sets name, you will select all the details and click Add Fit. That way you have created the detailed statistical table here. If you want to add a description for this product code, you will click on this three-dot button and enter the description for this table. For example, here you can write the description as canal dress. Then you click on the OK button and now you will save your current progress and proceed to lay out the marker as usual. You will go ahead and open up this marker 21 section. After that, please wait a moment. Then you will go to this new page. You will enter the fabric width here. Here I'll use an example where the fabric width is 1.5 meters. For the length, you can set it to 800 or 1000, matching the maximum length of the marker. Click OK. Then you go back into this Open Style section. Select this three-dot button. You will select the item code for which you want to lay out the marker. But you need to note that you have to turn off the PDF section. You must turn off this PDF section. If you don't turn off the PDF section, you won't be able to create the marker. After that, you will click Open, and at this point, you will select the style sets you want to use for the marker and choose the fabric you want to use for the marker. Click Add, and it will process up to this point. In this section, you input the specific size you are currently marking down and the quantity. For example, I will mark 2 different products here and then click OK, OK. At this point, you let the marker run as usual automatically. That is my answer to the student's question. If you find this sharing of mine helpful, you can subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Goodbye everyone.